Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best solar panels for boats that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Powwoxy upgraded 7.5 watts solar battery trickle charger maintainer. This compact and portable solar panel is designed for boats, cars, motorcycles, and other 12-volt battery-powered devices. It features an intelligent charge controller with a conversion efficiency between 25% and 30%, ensuring a stable and efficient energy flow. The built-in smart protection system prevents overcharging, short circuits, and overvoltage, making it a safe choice for maintaining your batteries in top condition. Its design is robust, featuring high-transparency tempered glass that is scratch-resistant, impact-resistant, and capable of withstanding harsh weather conditions. The ABS Plus PC frame ensures durability without damaging surfaces like car paint. The LED charging indicator provides a simple visual cue, with red indicating sunlight reception and green signaling battery charging. Installation is straightforward, as it can be connected directly to the battery or via a cigar lighter socket. This product is ideal for users looking for a portable and affordable solution to prevent battery drain during downtime. However, with an output of only 7.5 watts, it's best suited for maintaining battery levels rather than fast charging. If you're dealing with larger batteries or more demanding applications, you might need something with higher wattage. Overall, this is a great entry-level option with solid safety features and dependable build quality. Coming in at number 4 is the TopUniv 100-watt flexible solar panel. This panel is a powerhouse in terms of flexibility and efficiency, making it perfect for irregular or uneven surfaces like boats, cabins, RVs, and camper vans. Featuring 9 busbar monocrystalline silicon cells, it boasts a conversion efficiency of up to 23%, ensuring you extract maximum power from the sun. The ETFE material used for the panel enhances light transmission and durability, while the IP67 rated junction aux provides excellent waterproofing and dustproofing. At just 0.1 inches thick and weighing 4.4 pounds, this solar panel is incredibly lightweight and easy to install. Pre-drilled holes and PV connectors make setup quick and hassle-free. Its semi-flexible design allows it to bend up to a radius of 45 centimeters, adapting to complex surfaces with ease. This makes it an excellent choice for marine environments where space and surface irregularities are common. The downside here is the slightly higher price point and the lack of a built-in charge controller, which means you'll need to purchase one separately for optimal performance. However, the high wattage and advanced materials make it a worthwhile investment for users who need a flexible, powerful solution for larger applications. If you're looking for versatility and high output, the TopUniv 100-watt panel is a strong contender. At number 3, we have the Sunair Power waterproof 12-watt solar battery charger and maintainer Pro. This model shines with its ultra-smart MPPT technology, delivering tracking efficiency of up to 99% and conversion efficiency of 98%. Its improved 3-stage charging algorithm, bulk, absorption, and float, ensures safe and effective battery charging, prolonging battery life and optimizing performance. This solar panel is designed to be maintenance-free, automatically resuming charging when the battery discharges. The build quality is excellent, featuring grade A+ solar cells, tempered solar glass, and a corrosion-resistant frame. These materials make it capable of withstanding extreme weather conditions like hail, sandstorms, and UV exposure. Installation is straightforward, with pre-designed holes and plug-and-play cables. This 12-watt panel is perfect for smaller applications, such as maintaining batteries for cars, boats, and RVs. Its 12-watt output is sufficient for trickle charging, but may not be ideal for rapid charging or larger batteries. While it's a bit more expensive than other 12-watt models, the advanced MPPT controller and premium materials justify the price. This product is ideal for users seeking a dependable, worry-free solution for maintaining battery health in varying weather conditions. At number 2 is the Solperk 20-watt solar panel kit. This panel combines high efficiency, with versatility, making it an excellent choice for boat owners. With a monocrystalline A+ solar cell, it boasts cell efficiency between 21% and 30%, ensuring reliable performance even in less than ideal sunlight conditions. The upgraded 8A charge controller improves charging efficiency by up to 30%, while its smart 3-stage charging system protects against overcharging and short circuits. The build quality is top-notch, featuring low iron tempered glass and a corrosion-resistant aluminum frame. These materials make the panel waterproof, rust-proof, and capable of withstanding extreme weather conditions like sandstorms and blizzards. The adjustable mounting bracket allows you to position the panel for optimal sunlight exposure, enhancing its efficiency, while the Solperk 20-watt panel offers exceptional performance and durability. It's slightly heavier than other products on this list, weighing 3 pounds. It's ideal for users who need a robust, weather-resistant solar panel for medium-sized batteries. With its comprehensive safety features and premium build quality, this panel is a great investment for outdoor enthusiasts and boat owners alike. Taking the #1 spot is the Sooner Power Waterproof 20-watt Solar Battery Charger and Maintainer Pro. This model delivers top-tier performance with its ultra-smart MPPT technology, achieving 99% tracking efficiency and 98% conversion efficiency. The improved 3-stage charging system, bulk, absorption, float, ensures batteries are charged effectively and safely, prolonging their lifespan. Additionally, its charge level indicators help you visually monitor the stage of charge, making it user-friendly and intuitive. The build is impressive, utilizing grade A+ solar cells, tempered solar glass, and a corrosion-resistant frame to withstand extreme weather conditions. It's fully waterproof and spark-proof, with multiple safety protections to guard against overcharge, over-discharge, and short circuits. Installation is easy, with pre-drilled holes and all cables included in a plug-and-play setup. This panel is versatile, supporting various battery types, including lead-acid and lithium-ion. While slightly more expensive than other options, the Sooner Power 20-watt panel offers unmatched performance, durability, and safety features. It's perfect for boat owners who want a reliable, high-efficiency solar panel for maintaining battery health in demanding environments. If you're looking for the best of the best, this panel is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.